Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some wholesome and very delicious overnight oats and then turn it into a smoothie bowl. It's filling and scrumptious and perfect for breakfast. First up, into a container we're going to add in the oats, the coconut, the chia seeds, the LSA and cacao powder, the cinnamon, the vanilla, the maple syrup, the almond butter, and finally the milk. Then simply give everything a good mix together until all the ingredients are well combined. Then into the fridge overnight. Into a blending cup we're then going to add in 1 frozen banana, and to that we're going to add in our overnight oats. To that we're then going to add in a dash of milk, adding more while blending if you need to until you get your desired consistency. Once everything is well combined and the mixture is thick and creamy, we're going to pour that into a bowl. Then simply top it off with your favourite toppings. For this recipe I'm using some bananas, some strawberries, some walnuts, some cacao nibs, some coconut, and I like to top it off with a little drizzle of almond butter. Yum! It's so good. The overnight oats just on their own are delicious, but this just takes it to the next level. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!